Where do statistics and artificial intelligence come together? Just a few years ago, artificial intelligence seemed like something out of a science fiction movie. But what about today? AI has become part of our everyday lives. It helps us with homework, creates artwork, and even writes reports. In particular, the rise of generative AI, such as ChatGPT, has dramatically changed the way we work and analyze data. How can AI make such intelligent decisions? The answer lies in statistics. When we make important decisions, we usually look for evidence rather than relying only on experience or intuition. Businesses do the same. Making decisions based on data analysis is called data-driven decision-making. Companies such as Google, Tesla, and Meta rely on data to make even their smallest decisions. In this process, statistics plays an important role by finding meaningful patterns in enormous amounts of data. In the past, analyzing large amounts of data required both statisticians and computer experts. The process could take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Today, however, AI can use statistical techniques to analyze data in a matter of seconds. Even people with little technical knowledge can get useful information simply by asking questions. This change is called data democratization. We have entered an age in which anyone can make use of data. In finance, AI helps evaluate loan applications. By comparing an applicant's credit score, loan amount, and repayment history with countless previous cases, AI can predict the likelihood that the loan will be repaid. It can make decisions much faster and more consistently than humans can. In manufacturing, when a machine suddenly stops working, production may come to a halt and cause significant losses. That is why companies use a technology called predictive maintenance. Sensors attached to machines continuously collect information such as vibration, temperature, and noise, and AI uses statistical methods to detect unusual changes. When warning signs appear, companies can repair or service the equipment before it breaks down, reducing both downtime and repair costs. In retail and online shopping, data has become a major competitive advantage. Companies analyze what products we search for and what we buy to recommend items that may interest us. The same is true for movies and television shows. Streaming services analyze our viewing history and recommend content that matches our interests, making it easier to discover something we will enjoy. These recommendation systems are also the result of combining statistics and AI. The medical field is changing as well. AI learns from enormous amounts of medical data and helps doctors detect diseases at an early stage. In fact, some hospitals have reported that AI systems have helped doctors identify cases of diseases such as breast cancer that might otherwise have been missed. AI is also used to predict the number of patients who will visit emergency rooms, allowing hospitals to allocate staff and beds more efficiently. In addition, AI chatbots can handle appointments and basic medical questionnaires, reducing the workload of healthcare workers. The way we analyze data is also changing rapidly. In the past, people needed to know how to use complex software to analyze data. Today, however, someone can simply ask a question, such as, "What was the best-selling product last month?" And AI can provide the answer, along with graphs and explanations. As a result, data analysis is no longer something reserved for experts. It is becoming a tool that everyone can use. In the future, the combination of statistics and AI will expand into even more fields. Self-driving cars will predict traffic conditions. Farmers will use data to monitor crop growth. And environmental scientists will use AI to predict wildfires and floods. Ultimately, as AI continues to advance, the most important skill will be the ability to analyze data accurately. And at the center of it all is statistics. No matter what career you choose in the future, you will need the ability to understand and interpret data. Why not start learning statistics today, the new language that is shaping the world of tomorrow?